Hi everyone, welcome to the social science class of 6th grade. Today I am here with a new topic from the unit 12, that is Asia, a land of contrast. Previous class we have discussed about the physiographical divisions of Asia. So we have discussed about five physical divisions of Asia. Today I am going to teach you the next point, that is major rivers and agriculture of Asia. Rivers of Asia. Asia is a land of mighty rivers. Physical features and surrounding water bodies are affected by river system of this continent. Asia is surrounded by the Arctic, the Pacific and the Indian Oceans. The majority of rivers of this continent flow into any of these three oceans. The rivers of Asia, they flow in different countries and finally they reach the any of these three oceans. Means among these three oceans they mix into any one of the ocean. Thus, the rivers of Asia can be divided into four groups. So, the rivers of Asia can be divided in four groups. They are Indian Ocean Rivers System, second one Pacific Ocean Rivers System, third one Arctic Ocean Rivers System, fourth one Inland Rivers System. These are the four groups the rivers of Asia are divided. Let's start with the first river system, that is Indian Ocean Rivers System. The major rivers of this group are the Tigris and the Euphrates of Syria and Iraq, flow into the Persian Gulf, the Sindhu, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra of India and Pakistan, rises in the Himalayas and flow southward into the Indian Ocean. Rivers Sitang, Salween and Irrawaddy of Myanmar flow into the Bay of Bengal. Already in the previous class I told you most of the rivers in Asia, they take birth, they originate in the Central Asia or in the Himalaya. And the next rivers system, that is second one Pacific Ocean Rivers System. It includes the rivers of Amur in Russia, Huanghe, Jiang, Yangtze and Sikiang of China, which drain eastward into the Sea of the Yellow Sea and the China Sea respectively. Mekong and Menam of Indochina flow into South China Sea. So this is about the Pacific Ocean Rivers System. Third one, Arctic Ocean Rivers System. It includes Ob, Yenisei and Lena, which are the three biggest rivers of this group. These rivers rises in the central islands. In the previous class I told most of the rivers take birth or originates in the central islands, flow northwards and fall into the Arctic Ocean. So this is the third river system. Next, fourth one is inland rivers system. The major rivers which drain into inland seas are the Volga and the Ural, which flow into the Caspian Sea, the Amu Daria and Sir Daria, which flow into the sea. So this is about the major rivers or the major four river systems of Asia. And the next point is agriculture of Asia. Agriculture is the most important occupation in Asia. About three-fourths of the people are engaged in agriculture. Means most of the people occupation is agriculture. Agricultural products account for a major share of Asia's export. There is a close relationship between the river systems and farming in Asia. Agriculture is largely practiced in river basins because of fertile soil and water supply through irrigation. In many Asian countries, most of the farmers use hand tools and animals for cultivation. They follow the intensive farming. Other types of farming are also in practice. Irrigation farming, dry farming, plantation farming, mixed farming, shifting farming, like these different type of farming are done by the people of Asia. In recent years, modern implements, different implements are used in the modern years, like tractors are used in the agriculture. Fertilizers, high yielding varieties of seeds, so like this they are using little, they become little bit modern in the agriculture, have become widespread in some countries, but still there are many countries which have low yield per hectare due to many reasons. Crops of Asia. A variety of crops are grown in Asia. Rice and wheat are the chief staple food crops. China and India are the leading producers of rice, and together they produce more than 90% of the world rice. Japan, Bangladesh, Thailand, and Southeast Asian countries are other major producers of rice. China, India, Pakistan, and Asian Russia are the leading wheat producing countries. Most of the world's natural rubber and tea come from Asia. Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand are the top natural rubber producers. The leading tea producing areas are China, Indonesia, India, Malaysia, and Thailand. The other important crops of Asia include cotton, jute, means fiber crops, and sugarcane. China, India, Pakistan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, and Uzbekistan are the leading producers of cotton. Jute comes mainly from Bangladesh, China, and India. The sugarcane producing areas are in India. The second largest producer in the world. India is the second largest producer in the world for the sugarcane. And Indonesia, Philippines, and Bangladesh also producing sugarcane. Asia is also famous for producing coffee, cocoa, millets, and variety of pulses, spices, oil, and oil seeds. So this is about the agriculture, and also along with this we have completed major river systems of Asia. So this is about the unit 12, that is Asia, a land of contrast. By this lesson is completed. Let's meet in the next video of social science. Till then, keep watching videos. Thank you.